Welcome, today I'll show you how to unblock phone number into a Honor 50. First of all, open your phone application. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Click it and choose blocked option. Then in the top right corner again we got settings of this option. Go into, and here will be block list option. And now, how you can see, I got here 3 block number. So for unblocking this one last, press and hold, select for example these 2 numbers and click remove on the bottom. Restore blocked message, click remove, and how you can see we unblocked these 2 numbers. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.